Elon Musk has entered the AI arena with a fresh model known as Grok, birthed by his enterprise xAI. xAI stands as a nexus of innovation, pooling together brilliant AI minds from prestigious entities such as DeepMind, OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. Musk's goal for this collective is to delve deeper than mere AI experimentation. He wants to deeply understand the universe's workings. Grok isn't just another AI. Musk envisions a transformation of the chatbot experience. Picture a chatbot with a human touch, enhanced by a vast repository of knowledge and real-time internet data updates. Grok stands out by adding humor to its responses, offering witty, light-hearted interactions that go beyond just facts and figures. Musk aims to shape an AI that's not only intelligent, but also personable and captivating. He even showcased Grok's unique conversational skills on Twitter, where Grok handled a sensitive topic with humor and caution, avoiding the promotion of anything dangerous or illicit. This underlines Grok's ability to provide responses that are contextually aware and ethically sound. Grok is being built with ethical guidelines, ready to navigate away from morally ambiguous inquiries. It's currently in a hush-hush beta phase, but those subscribed to xAI's Premium Plus plan will get an early chance to converse with Grok. The essence of Grok's name, meaning intuitive understanding, gives us a peek into what Musk's team is aiming for, an AI that connects on a human level. Despite the secrecy shrouding Grok, we know that xAI is harnessing Oracle's cloud for model training, hinting at the formidable power and complexity of the tech involved. Reflecting on Musk's AI journey, from a critic warning against AI risks to pioneering his own venture, Grok emerges as a standout model, one that Musk touts as superior in certain critical areas. This comes as a confident stance in a domain populated by tech titans. It's essential to recall that Musk was once at the helm of OpenAI, the organization that unleashed ChatGPT onto the world. However, as OpenAI transitioned from its open-source roots towards a more commercial orientation, Musk parted ways, citing his disapproval of their trajectory and the politically correct nature of their AI models. Grok could very well be Musk's retort, his answer to what he perceives as a cautious approach by current AI models. With Grok, Musk is not looking to merely compete in the AI market. He appears to be etching out a new category, sculpting an AI model that is audacious, intellectually engaging, and perhaps a tad irreverent. Steering this new venture, Musk is set to usher in a transformative phase in AI, with Grok potentially leading the charge into a daring and innovative future. I'm curious about your views on Musk's latest venture with Grok. Feel free to discuss your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and catch you in the next update.